everyone, today I'm going to be doing Hwasa's makeup. If you're not sure who Hwasa is, she's a member of Mamamoo. She comes from a background where she wasn't K-pop or Korean beauty standards, but she made it into her own style. But she has definitely, with her own style, become very popular in Korea. So today I'm going to be trying to create her signature look. So let's get started. I'm going first with a primer. Nothing special, but it is important to give us a poreless face. I recently got my first Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 220. It's a little darker than my skin color after oxidizing, but it'll get us that glowing tan that Hwasa has. And of course, I can't forget my concealer. Koreans prefer a dewy look, but Hwasa is all about a matte look, so I'm powdering until there's no shine. Her makeup is more similar to Western style, which includes her eyebrows that are slightly arched. She does draw them quite thin upward and then arches them a bit at the end instead of straight eyebrows. She has a beautiful egg-shaped face, so I'm going to fill in my forehead a bit to match hers. Contour is always fun and we need lots and lots of it. Had a little too much fun there. But anyway, I am contouring to create her cheekbones and slim jawline since mine are more round and short. I told you it was going to be a lot of contouring. But anyway, we're also shading our cheeks and don't forget under your chin so that your chin looks more slim. And there we have it. Her nose is long and rounded at the bottom, so I'm creating an inverted triangle. And then I'm also shading below that to create a longer nose. I like to think of her nose like a vase. It tapers towards the middle and then rounds at the bottom, so I'm shading it naturally like that. Moving into the eyes, which is going to either make it or break it for her signature look. I've noticed that she likes to fill her eyelids up to her eyebrows on a rectangular shape, so we are putting on a neutral base color first. I'm going to deepen my eyes by adding a darker brown and putting it on the lower part of my lid and then using the leftovers on the upper part. Okay, so the bottom eye part can get tricky. Using a latte brown color and a small pointed brush, put it on your lower lid, but not all the way. She actually extends it out into a straight line to make her eyes pop, which adds a slight drama to her eyes. So take your time and add slowly if needed. You want it to trail off like a tail at the end. That is the key pointer here. Using a super thin angled brush, grab some black eyeshadow and follow the line. Make sure you thin it out at the end as well. This is going to be like your pretend eyeliner. Again, take your time, there's no rush. I find that building it up works better. To create depth in her eyes, she adds dark brown eyeshadow at the inner part of her upper lid. Use a white eyeshadow or a pencil and put some on the first half of your lower lash line to open up your eyes a bit, and then put some at your turtlex as well. Okay, it gets easier from here. I'm going to tightline and do a slightly waved wing eyeliner. I added some lashes that are pretty similar to the ones that she wears. It's longer at the end to accentuate our wing eyeliner. I don't know how she does this every day, but man, those lower lashes, they're pretty, but they do take some work. Anyway, for wispy look, she adds lower lashes along the new lower lash created. And these aren't any kind of lashes. They have to be wispy and contain about 2 or 3 hair pieces in one. Moving on to lips, we're going to use a nude brown color and overline our lips to fill it in. She's really into overlining, so this is also a must-do. Last but not least, add a beauty mark. She has this naturally in her face and she likes to make it darker as well. So that's all for the makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, feel free to like and subscribe down below. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.